Let's check in with Neda now on the forecast.
Thank you, Jacqueline. Good morning, everybody. A few delays at SFO as well this morning, all because of this right here, that low cloud ceiling that we see, that we often definitely see, and it does impact flights coming into town. Here's a look right now at the temperatures. 57 degrees in San Francisco, Livermore at 58, and Concord 61 degrees at this hour. Your afternoon conditions are going to be pretty cool this afternoon, but we are noticing air quality not so good. So right now it is unhealthy in Fremont and San Jose, unhealthy for sensitive groups where you see the orange in Pacifica, Redwood City, moderate where you see the yellow. And this afternoon, this is the air quality forecast, moderate to unhealthy range. Spare the air alert has been issued. Yesterday, we saw a lot of that haze in the sky. It looked like fog, but that was not the case. And here's where it's all coming from. All these fires burning in the Pacific Northwest. That's the Mendocino Complex fire and even fires in Canada. A lot of this smoke got sent over the Pacific Ocean. Then we saw a shift in our wind direction. That's what happened yesterday. So we got the onshore breeze, and that basically sent the smoke from the ocean right into the Bay Area, putting our air quality the worst in the state of California yesterday. That's what we noticed. Particulate matter more than 150, which of course prompted that spare the air alert. We're going to continue to get that onshore breeze today, and that's going to lead to more smoke in the skies. Temperatures also cooling today because of that breeze as well. So even inland communities are going to be impacted by it. This is what you'll notice. We're going to stay below average. San Francisco, 69 is normal. 63 will be our afternoon high today. San Jose, 77, puts you about 5 degrees below normal. Oakland, upper 60s, 80 for Concord. That's it. So a lot of locations staying in the 70s and 80s when we were talking about the 90s for many of you. That's not going to happen this week or next week either. 80 in Concord, 81 in Livermore, 71 in Fremont, 73 in Redwood City. In the North Bay, temperatures also mid to upper 70s. So what's going to happen next week is this low right here is actually going to dip a little bit more to the south. And as that drops, our temperatures will also drop. So on Saturday, you'll notice a slight rise in temperatures. And then by Sunday, they'll dip. And next week, we're talking even cooler than today. Here's a look at your game forecast. Yes, the Raiders playing the Green Bay Packers. It's going to be hazy and cool for the game in Oakland. 63 degrees at 7:30 game time. And then temperatures for the Giants game. Yeah, that's happening today and this weekend. First pitch, 7:15. And yes, breezy and cool in San Francisco, 62 degrees. That 7-day forecast now showing our little rise in temperatures on Saturday and then that dip for next week. But 60s and 70s for the Bay Area, certainly below average, below normal. And that's where we'll stay next week. And that's your forecast.